It's all set? Oh, good. He should be here in a minute.
Just play it really cool.
Oh, there he is.
Hey, how are you, Tom? What's going on, bud?
How are you, man?
Oh, good.
Yeah,
Thanks for coming by.
Have a beer. Sit down. Relax. Tommy? Tommy?
Whoa. No.
Tommy?
No.
Tommy?
Oh.
He's dead. How does somebody die that fast?
That was really quick. That backfired a little.
Let's go call the ambulance.
Yeah, let's do that. Oh, there's one in the back.
But that's the one where it's broken. Do you know how to take care of a dead body?
EMT 31, we are inbound.
We've started 20cc IV, and we're going to transport immediately. We should have a team ready at the hospital.
And it's a 10th floor big squirrel. The robin has left the nest with a full bag of nuts.
And one other thing, I don't have any pants on. Repeat, I don't have any pants on.
Jimmy, Carl, come to the front office now.
You're dealing with her this time.
I don't want to.
No.
Oh,
What?
jeez.
Don't do that. Turn it off.
How do you do that?
No, turn it off.
I'm trying.